Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the day. Today is Monday the 23rd of February and we just finished our live trading session. Today we had two live trading sessions and we got one take profit and one stop loss. I want to show you what we did today and what is the final result. Probably you can see that on the screen already. Two trades on Euro USD. One is plus $2,253. The other one is minus $1,519. The total result is $734 in profit, which is pretty good, I can say. So one trade, let me just check if I got it here. No, don't have that here. But anyway, I got plans saved in the trading journal. Here, this trade, you can see that was very small stop loss of 6 pips and take profit for 12 pips using order flow, but the market is going opposite way. That's okay. Sometimes it happens, guys. That setup was pretty simple. It's pretty effective, but you know, sometimes we got also stop losses using this kind of setup. And today we had stop loss. Anyway, the Monday, it's not too bad because we still got some profit, but let's have a look at our trading plans. I want to show you some plans from Tomek. Tomek had a plan on New Zealand dollar and US dollar to go down for the third leg measure move. Let's have a look at that trade. 1 second. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We are still somewhere around that area where Tomek wanted to enter the trade, so probably it's too early right now. Looking good, but you know, we need to wait for the right moment to enter the position. Another plan that was from Pavel. I think Pavel got take profit here using MDP strategy for reaction. It's a really powerful strategy, and I think that was full take profit. Also another plan from Pavel on US 500. I don't think the price got to that area. I think we reversed. We went to the other side. Let's have a look. No, the price went through that area. No, 1 second, guys. I think the plan was pretty good. Yes, to get to the top of yesterday from Friday, and from here entry go down. Let's have a look. That's exactly the area Pavel was looking for, and look guys what happened. The price got to that area and boom, straight away they went down. So that was pretty good trade from Pavel. Very nice. Okay, 1 second. Pretty good trade from Pavel. Also, we got some more trades. Let's have a look. This one here, Euro USD, to get to the area, to the volume area, and then to go up. This is also planned from Pavel. It worked very well. You can check Euro USD. The price got to that area, like you can see over here. We had the breakout and the price went up, which is good. So the plan worked very, very nice, I can say. All right, what's next right here? This is USD JPY long. Unfortunately, the price went opposite direction, but we had a plan to go down after the breaking through this area. I didn't enter this trade, but USD JPY, that plan was made on our live session. Look what happened here. There was breakout and retest. So basically we could enter the position here. I missed that trade. After the session, I had to go do something, and you know, there was nice opportunity. So guys, maybe you've been able to use it. A pretty good trade. So the plans we had today were pretty awesome, I can say. I didn't use every single plan, but you know, working pretty good. Tomek, USD JPY to enter the liquidity zone and to go down. Yeah, the price got into liquidity zone like here and the price dropped. So another nice plan from Tomek. What else do we have today? Let's have a look. US 500 to go down. Similar plan what Pavel had, and you can see the plan worked perfectly. Very nice plan. This one here, and let's take other trades. US 500 to go. That plan didn't work. Yeah, two pending orders set on gold. So yeah, we done few good plans today, I can say. Nice profit. We got $700. Maybe it's not the best, but still, guys, we are in profit, which is very good. $734. The week started pretty good, and if we look at our account, which I'm using for live trading sessions, trading journal, since January 12th, we done $50,000 on live trading sessions, guys. Yes, just on live trading sessions. course, not every single day is in profit, but you can see all losses and all take profits, how we work, how we open the trade, how we close the trades. You can see the plans. So guys, if you want to join our live trading sessions, you can do that every single day from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. So if you want to see more, just subscribe this channel and join us tomorrow morning. We're gonna look for some more good trades, I can say. So thank you guys for now, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Take care.